Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting video for you. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. This is something totally different from what I normally show on my channel, but I'm so excited to share with you what we are going to be unboxing. But first, I want to say this here. We are not sponsored. This is the product from BLUETTI. We actually purchased this here product during the Amazon Prime Day that they just not had, and we saved a ton of money. So this item that I'm going to show you, actually, let me turn the camera around and show you what we have. I'm so excited. So we have a couple of items from BLUETTI, okay? So this is what they are. Actually, I'm gonna have Love and Duke come in here and help me do the unboxing. Yes. So this here first product we have is called a charger 2. Okay, it's a DC to DC charger. And then this guy down here, this big box, this is a, what is this thing called? A charging station, right? Yeah. It's a charging station. Okay, so everything that came with the charger 2 is right here. So we have a car battery cables that are right here. We also have some MC4 charging cables, input and output. We also right here, we have the solar charging cable. It also came with a 75 amp fuse and some self-tapping screws, 6 of them. And then this here bi-directional cable, power cable right here. So these are all the items that came in. Also, don't forget, we got our user manual here. So you just seen it. We just got the brand new BLUETTI Apex 300, and this is all that came with it. We have 2 power cords. And what is that? Some screws. I think these some grounding screws or something. And then the power cord, AC power cord. And then is that, what's it called? A DC to DC power cord, like the power cord for the your vehicle, like to go in a cigarette lighter. And real quick, I want to let you know the reason why we have these items. We have a Ram Pro Master, a 2019 that we purchased for Daddy Girl. And if you know, then you know us, you know about Daddy Girl. So we did this so that we can build out a van for her niece, because buying something brand new off the lot or used, it was just way more too expensive. So we just figured it would be cheaper to purchase a van and do the build out ourselves, and to customize it to her needs, you know, and ours too. So this is what this is for. Also, we here in Florida, and if y'all know, we have a lot of power outages and stuff like that from hurricanes and stuff like that. So this will, you know, also act as some backup home, you know, home power. I had to reach out, I had to phone a friend, but this can act as some, like a generator to us, because we do have a generator, but that joker is loud. So this would be, you know, it'll be better. It's actually raining and stuff outside right now, so this was the perfect time to get this stuff open. And also, I want to say, about 3 years ago, we were able to do some kills mat. So we did put some kills mat, I think it's called kills mat, in the back of the van, you know, the sound deadening and stuff. But during that time, we had to, you know, pump our brakes and put things on the hold. But now we are back in a space where we can continue the van build. So that's what we are on. And the first thing we thought, you know, we should purchase is this here BLUETTI Apex 300. We are so excited, you know, to get Mia out the house, for us to get out the house and all of that. Also, if you have any knowledge of any van builds, leave it in the comments down below, because look, me and Love, we love YouTube University. That's where it's at. But still, if you have any knowledge that you can drop in the comments down below, leave that. Give us some, you know, tips or whatever. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to do what? Sprinkle your girl. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.